You can find this printable sewing pattern in the description. Cut your size. You will need 2.4 meters of fabric. I used 3.5 centimeters wide elastic string for waist. I also added the waist detail. If you want to cut it from the same fabric, you don't need to add extra seam allowance. Baby lock the horizontal edges of the bottom parts. Overlock all vertical edges. Ruffle top edge of bottom parts. Sew this part on top. Repeat the process for all 5 parts. Sew sides. Leave opening for the zipper. Sew waist, measure it to your figure before sewing. Sew secret zipper. I use 30 centimeters zipper. Finish this edge by hand. Good luck!